coming
So there is
inside,
one
right?
naughty child and who
Yeah.
has a history of, having some kind of clashes with other children. And there's
Right.
another child who is quite sincere in class and, she's a nice, docile child. She walks up to you and says, cryingly, ma'am, so and so person has hit me, or so and so person has said something mean to me,
The
right? And
same
has
boy,
taken
the
side.
other one, the other
Yes, the one
right.
who has
Yes.
had a history of
Yes,
being naughty.
yes,
What
yes,
would you
yes.
do?
So what I do is in such scenarios, I generally talk to each one of them separately. The first thing,
Mhm.
I just make her
Mhm.
sit, make her comfortable, adore her,
Mhm.
pamper her, and just get
Mhm.
things out from her. Listen to her very
Mhm.
mindfully, very peacefully,
Mhm.
and try to get out of her what she's actually trying to say. And after
Mhm.
listening to her conversation, I pacify her. Now let me talk to Bhavya also, whosoever is the
Mhm.
other child.
Mhm.
And I'll get
Mhm.
back to you, beta. Let me just
Mhm.
speak to him also. And by the time the
Mhm.
child is, pacified, okay, she's going to do
Mhm.
something, she's going to take some
Mhm.
action. If
Mhm.
that happens, it's okay. If that doesn't work, I need to talk to the child at length. I mean,
Mhm.
try to reach to the extent where the child is actually being, if she's actually into a traumatic situation, you need
Mhm.
to get deeper into. If she's okay,
Mhm.
comfortable, you may leave
Mhm.
and definitely
Mhm.
go and talk to the other child also. And
Mhm.
if you feel you need to make to sit them face to face or call one
Mhm.
after the other, you may do that.
Mhm.
So, or if you feel that the child is okay by just telling
Mhm.
that, okay, I have told the other child also, and the other child
Mhm.
probably, see, this is a very long discussion. Probably that child
Mhm.
has not done anything, only she just took an
Mhm.
action because she didn't like
Mhm.
him or her.
Mhm.
This also
Exactly.
happens. This is my experience
Mhm.
with children. So this kind, I mean, it depends. But if you take it
Mhm.
as a
Exactly.
general, this thing, reach to the child's concern first, get to know
Mhm.
what actually the situation was, and then
Mhm.
talk to the other child also and try to make them both understand each other's feelings and emotions, that he did not have intentions or she
Mhm.
did not have intentions to do that. But you need
Mhm.
to understand each other because, एक spur of moment पे चीजें और हमारी thoughts change होती है. कभी-कभी हमें लगता है कोई हमें
Mhm.
सुन ही ले बस.
Mhm.
वो
True.
उतने सुनने में ही बच्चे चुप
Absolutely.
हो जाते हैं and they pacify. Okay, ma'am
So
has
true.
agreed, it's okay, things are done. But at some
Mhm.
times maybe something serious has happened, so we can't let
Mhm.
it go. Let go वाला
Mhm.
scene नहीं करना चाहिए because
Mhm.
I also love to work with children like that. I also work
Mhm.
with special children, so I
Mhm.
take it to my heart and I look
Mhm.
into that. I think I hear each
Mhm.
and every word of the child's
Mhm.
conversation very deeply.
Mhm.
And then I give my point of view. Okay, we'll talk later.
Mhm.
Babe. So this is how we
Mhm.
go. And definitely don't ignore the child's feelings and emotions. Very, very
Oh,
important.
yes.
Very, very
That's so
important.
true.
The
Thank you so
That's
much,
so
facial
true.
Jyoti
reading
ma'am.
is very important as a teacher. आपको
Mm.
उसकी facial reading करने से पता चल जाता है whether she or he is truthful or not.
Oh,
First
true.
part, as a teacher, as a grown up
Mm.
person, आप मुंह देख के बता देते हो ये सच बोल रहा है झूठ बोल रहा है.
Mm.
वो भी
True.
एक आपकी रीडिंग का एक स्टाइल होता है to assess a child about that. And lot many things उसके साथ और भी क्राइटेरियाज होते हैं. आपको एक बच्चे की हिस्ट्री भी पता होती है कि बच्ची कैसे
Mhm.
है in past और वो बच्चा
Exactly.
कैसा है. So to
Yeah.
know the history, that is why we are told to connect with the child. Child's family,
Mhm.
एक हम connect बनाते हैं ना parent teacher.
Mhm.
अच्छा, the triangle.
True.
So that is very, very important, ma'am.
True.
So
Thank
this
Thank
you
you
is
so
how
so
much,
we
much.
can
Jyoti.
go into the process.
Thank you
Right.
so much, Jyoti ma'am. I think Jyoti ma'am answered this question beautifully, right? She went
Very
through the
much.
Ma'am,
steps
this